same lesson which we happened to start in the previous period. The lesson is lesson number 1.7, Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. So please, I want you all to open page number 20. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. Bravery means they are very, very brave, strong. But even today, many brave soldiers of a country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. That is, they are fighting with the enemies. Okay? For whose sake? For our sake. So that we are safe. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. That is, we honor them by giving these awards also. Paramveer Chakra is the India's highest military decoration. That is the biggest award which is given. What is that award? Paramveer Chakra. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the present. That is, in all these situations, any situation whichever is there in front of them, these heroes, that is, they can be of any arm, they can be from any armed forces, either army, navy or air force. So they are fighting. Whether on land, if it is on land, it will be the army. If it is sea, then it will be the navy. Air means it will be the air force. The Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. So, if you want, you will have to work very hard. So, only 21 have received this particular Paramveer Chakra. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. Now, can anybody tell me the meaning of this particular word? Now, how will you pronounce? Post. P-O-S-T-H. U-M-O-U-S-L-Y. That is posthumously. Means what? That is, they are receiving the award after their death. Is that clear? So, after their death, they are receiving the award. Indra's Vajra or Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt means what? Flash or light. Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. Flash or light. Okay. Now, is supposed to be a matchless weapon, but what makes the weapon invincible is the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadichi. Invincible means, what is the meaning? Unbeatable. Unbeatable. That means nobody can beat him. He was that brave, strong. Okay? Who? Sage. Sage means over here what? Rishi, Sadhu. What is his name? Dadichi. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. So, this particular demon happened to take away all the water which was there in the world. Naturally, without water, one cannot survive, one cannot live. So, the innocent people were suffering and dying without water. So, life is impossible without water. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon. So, if at all, if they want to kill also, it was not possible, unbeatable. Ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood or metal, etc. Something extraordinary, something special was needed so that they could kill the demon. It was learnt that the sage Dadichi had bones of extraordinary power. So, if they want to kill the demon, they should have something special. And that something extraordinary, who was having? The sage. What was the name of the sage? Dadichi. What? He had bones of such extraordinary power. So they thought that by this they can make use of his bones because they were extraordinarily powerful. They could kill the demon. But how could one ask for the bones of a living person? That is, ma'am, is it possible for you to take a living person's bones? Is it? No, it was not possible. So they had a question. One asked for the bones of a living man. Sage Dadichi was a noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. So, because of his good nature, what did he do? He sacrificed. Okay. Then after that, after his death, what did they do? With the help of his bones, they happened to make weapons. Gave his bones to the own bones to help the people. Indra Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolt was fashioned, that means made of from the sage bones, and the demon was defeated. Okay, in this way they were able to get victory. Just as the Indra Vajra derived power from sage Dadichi's bones, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramveer Chakra holders. Same way over here, all those people who have joined the armed forces, they also fight for our countries in, let it be any situations, and then they are given the award. And what is that award called as? Paramveer Chakra Award. Okay. Now see, now please go through on page number 21. You have all those names, that is the 21 bravest of the brave Paramveer. The names of those heroes are given who received this particular award. Major Somnath Sharma, Lance Nayak Karan Singh, Second Lieutenant Rama Rakhoba Rami, Nayak Jadunath Singh, Company Havildar Major Piru, Captain Gurbajat Singh Salaria, Major Dan Singh Thapa, Subedar Joginder Singh, Major Shaitan Singh, Company Quarter Master Havildar Abdul Hamid, Lieutenant Colonel Abhishek Burzori, G. Tarapur, Lance Nayak Albert Eka, Lieutenant Arun Kitrapal, Major Hoshiar Singh, Nayak Subedar Bana Singh, Major Ramaswamy Parameshwaran, Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, Grenadier Yogender Singh Yadav, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, Captain Vikram Batra, Flying Officer Nirmal Jit Singh Sekar. All these are the 21 bravest, that is the heroes who took the award. Okay. Now one example is given over here on the same page number 21. That is Flying Officer Nirmal Jit Singh Sekar. That is the number is also given. They have their own numbers. That is 108S77F PVC Squadron number 18, the Flying Bullets. So this is one example which is given over here. So after reading this, you will come to know on what grounds the award is given, which is called as the highest award. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy Sabre aircraft. Flying officer Nirmal Jit Singh Sikhan was on readiness duty at that time. That means he was in Air Force. Is that clear? So he was on duty, ready, like alert. He could not take off immediately, naturally, when the sky, if it is not clear, okay, you cannot take off. So same thing happened over here. By the time the he could, before like I have to start. He could not take off immediately because of clouds of dust raised by another aircraft. Now because there was another aircraft which took, so because of that it was very dusty. So he could not take off immediately. By the time the runaway, by the time it was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. Overhead means above. Okay? The enemy's aircraft. They were flying low. That means hardly there was any distance. They were not high above, but they were low. Firing and attacking the airfield. With what they were attacking? Bombs. Even then, Flying Officer Sikhan took off in his Gnat fighter the moment he could. So he did not waste time. Immediately, the moment when he could, he entered, he went into the fighter. He began to combat. That means he started fighting with the powerful Sabre jet aircraft of the enemy. That means he was fighting with the enemy who was at a low height. He damaged 2 of them. His fight with the attacking aircraft, that is the enemy's aircraft, now continued at tree-top height. So now the level, the height increased. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of the battle. After some time, the enemy's aircraft was not to be seen. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved. So the moment when it got vanished, it was not visible, it was not seen. Who's the enemies? So in this way, the airfield and the town of Srinagar was saved. But alas, Flying Officer Sikhan's aircraft too crashed. So immediately what happened? His aircraft also got crashed and he died and he was killed. Who was killed over here? Flying Officer Sikhan. Flying Officer Sikhan displayed, that means he happened to fight with the enemy bravely, okay? Great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. That is, while fighting with the enemies, he did not care for his life and he died. He showed unmatched heroism. That means you cannot compare him with any others. Above and beyond the call of duty. That means it was not only his duty, but he felt that he should fight for the country with the enemies. He did not care for his life also. Salute to the bravest of the brave. Now over here, if you see brave, degrees of comparison which I can do. Brave will be in which degree? Positive degree. Comparative means ER will be added. So how will you write the spelling of it? ER will be added to it. And same way if it is superlative degree, EST. Bravest of the brave. Flying Officer Nirmal Jit Singh Sikhan. Do read more on the internet, as that means if you are interested, you can go on this particular site. The site is also given over here, www.paramveerchakra.com, about the gallant, that is all those heroes who laid their lives for our country. You can get more detailed information about them if you go on this particular site. Who laid down their lives in the service of the country. You will see that they belong to various communities and religions. That is, if you see, their caste is different, okay, religion, everything is different. But one thing is same. What? They all are Indians. Their main aim, their motto, that is to fight for the safety of the country. You will see that they belong to various communities and religions. Do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they face the enemy without any regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain. That means they did not bother also if they got hurt, if they were wounded. Okay, they did not bother, they did not move aside. They were bravely keeping all their pains aside and fighting with the enemies. And while fighting, they even died. So, seeing to their sacrifice, the government of India happened to give them the award, and this is considered as something highest award. And what is that? PVC, Paramveer Chakra award is given to them. Okay, now one thing you can do it, that is all those students who are interested now at this particular age, okay, you must have already planned, or some of you must be planning your future, okay. So if at all, if you are interested to join any of these armed forces, okay, so you can focus, you can read about anyone which you are interested. Even the stories of these heroes, if you go into, if you read them, it will be inspiring. That is, you will be motivated. You can see, you can understand how brave they were. Okay. Now, one such example I will read out for you all. I will share with you all. Okay. For that is Major Sharma. Now, one thing I want to tell you all, that is about the medal which was framed. If you see on page number 20, the brown color column which is given, that is the picture of the medal, that is the PVC, how it is designed, who designed, the story about it. Okay, the medal itself is very simple in appearance. To look at it, it is very simple. Sorry, it is made out of bronze and is fitted with swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. Okay, it is having a ribbon also. On the observe, that is, if you observe the medal, it has the Indian national emblem. That is to prove that it belongs to our country, India. At the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, that is on the other side, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved. That means it is in both the languages, Hindi and English, with 2 lotus flowers in between. Again, just recollect the earlier lesson, that is the peacock and the crane we happen to do. There I happen to describe I told you all, this lotus is our Indian national flower. So it is, the lotus flower is between. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed, the person behind this medal who has designed was Savitri Bai Kanolkar, the name of the person. She was a European lady who married Vikram Kanolkar, an Indian army officer, okay, an Indian officer, okay. What was his name? Vikram Kanolkar. He happened to marry a lady who was from Europe, okay. She, naturally her name was changed, now her present name was Savitri Bai Kanolkar. So she was the person who designed this medal. Savitri Bai loved India, and naturally because of this reason she took Indian citizenship. She spoke, now see, although she was from a different country, that is European lady, but she learned all these languages. What are they? Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, and she spoke also very fluently and studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. That means very deep study she happened to do in the field of art and tradition. So who was the person who designed this medal? It was Savitri Bai Khandelkar. Now we will go back to the example which I want to share with you. So the first example is about Major Sharma. He was very brave and had leadership qualities. Okay, so in this he was a major. Okay, so while because of his bravery and leadership was his highest order which was displayed, for which he was awarded this particular PDC award, that is the Paramveer Chakra, on which day, that is 26th January 1950. Now, one close relation I want to tell you all, I want to share with you all, that is while designing. Now, can anybody stand up and tell me who designed this medal? Right? Yes, it is Savitri Bai Khandelkar. Now, who knew that Savitri Bai, even when she was doing this designing also, she did not ever dream that the first person to receive would be her close relative. Now, how did the relation go? That is, the award was given to her daughter's brother-in-law. Who was he? Major Sharma. So, he was the first person to receive this award from Kumaran regiment. So, from this particular regiment he belonged. Now, one more example I want to share with you all, that is about Captain Vikram Batra. He was born on 9th September 1974 in Palampur. Okay, he died. That is, you must have heard about the Kargil war. So, during that particular war, on 7th July 1999, he died in the war, Kargil war. He belonged to Jammu Kashmir Rifles, that particular unit he belonged to, and he was an officer of the Indian Army and was awarded with the PVC for his actions, that is what all bravery actions he happened to do in the Kargil war. For that he was awarded. Is that clear? And then during that particular Kargil war only he died. Now, one more example I want to share with you all, that is Subedar Sanjay Kumar. Okay, so this same person also, that is, he also belonged to Jammu Kashmir unit, born on 3rd March 1976 in Himachal Pradesh, that is in Bilaspur. He is also an Indian soldier, army soldier, a junior commissioned officer who was given this particular highest award, that is Paramveer Chakra. So these are the few examples I happen to share with you. So by this I finish with the lesson. Now once again we will just go through with the lesson. That is, this is a lesson number 1.7, Paramveer Chakra, which is given by the Indian government to those heroes who, naturally, it is given either after death or at times they are still alive, they receive the award. Okay. Now for this particular award, that is, they can either, that is, the person can be either from any of the armed forces, that is either from army, Navy or Air Force. Is that clear? So, who is the, now I want you all to tell me who designed this medal, the person behind it. Can you please name it? Right? Savitri Bai Khanolkar. And from where did she come? She was a European lady. Whom did she marry? Yes, can anybody tell me whom did she marry? She married Vikram Khanolkar, who was from an Indian army. Now, because of her interest, she wanted to become an Indian. And not only that, she learned many languages and she even went deep into art and traditions of our country India. Now because of her love for our country, she did a lot and even she learned many languages. She learned like Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi. Okay, and then we came to know who is giving all those. Till now, it is only 21 people who happen to get this highest award, which is given by the country. Okay, and then for achieving this award, you have to show your bravery, that is any situation, whenever you are in, that is army means on land, navy means sea, air force means air. Okay, wherever, whichever armed forces, wherever you are, you will have to see that you show, you perform in such a way that you prove yourself, you don't go behind. Yes, I got hurt. You cannot, safeguard your life. At times, what happens? You are right in front of the enemy, and then you should be so strong enough. You shouldn't bother about your life also. So all these 21 heroes who happen to get the awards, they happen to sacrifice their life for the sake of our country. So by this I finish with the lesson, that is Param Veer Chakra, our heroes.